Hi guys, I'm just going to do a brief overview of the different tools you will have during class because you'll be accessing your class and seeing your teachers via Zoom. You'll notice that I'm in a class right now all by myself, so the screen will look a little bit differently. You'll have your teacher there, and there's Ms. Milhone getting ready to start class. But what you'll see instead of just one person is, of course, you'll see several different students. And let's talk about some of the ways that you'll be able to interact with your students and also interact with the teacher. So as you see, when I move the mouse, I get a little toolbar at the bottom. I can mute myself, and then I can unmute myself. I'm also able to turn off my video. Some of these features may be discouraged by your teacher, though, so remember to listen to your teacher and do what they're telling you to do. In addition, if chat is enabled, I will be able to click on chat, and that will allow me to converse with everyone or converse with just the teacher. Similarly, I will be able to provide different reactions. So for example, if someone says something that I agree with, I could clap my hands or I could give a thumbs up. If something is rather funny and I'd like to show my amusement, I could click on this, and what that will do is that will give that reaction by my image. And then if I click on it again, that makes my reaction go away. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to my chat, and I'm going to type in something. And you'll notice it keeps a track of everything that is being said. Keep that in mind. Don't make any decisions about chatting that you might regret later. Sometimes your teacher may ask you to raise a hand if you have questions using the Raise Hand tool. You can access that by selecting the Participants menu. You'll notice the menu appears to the right, and you will have a list of your fellow classmates and your teacher here on the right. There are many different ways you can react. They could ask a question or a poll and ask everyone to say yes or no, and you would do so by clicking here for yes or here for no. Additionally, you can ask your teacher to go slower or go faster. And in this way, you can help to give the teacher some vital information about the ways they are going to be giving you instruction. And if you're asked to raise your hand before you speak, or if you're asked to raise hand to respond to a question, you can do so by clicking on this button. Now you'll notice the raise hand icon appears by your name. When you click on it a second time, that lowers the hand. And that's the way these reactions work. Similarly, don't forget, you can always mute yourself, which is what is the best thing to do if the teacher is delivering instruction. Remember, if the teacher is delivering direct instruction, the best thing for you to do is to provide as little distraction as possible by clicking on mute and muting yourself and any background noise that may occur from your class. And that's a little brief introduction into the different resources you have available to you as a student using Zoom.